If you've ever wondered how people treated ailments long before pharmacies, pills, or modern medicine existed, you're about to uncover something fascinating. For thousands of years, humans relied on plants not just to survive, but to actively heal, easing pain, fighting infections, calming inflammation, and restoring vitality. Many of these plants work so effectively that modern science has confirmed what ancient healers already knew. In this video, you'll learn about 10 medicinal plants that have been trusted across cultures for centuries. Plants that act naturally, powerfully, and often surprisingly quickly. These aren't myths or legends. These are real, practical healers you can grow, forage, or use today. Stick around until the end, because some of the most remarkable remedies are also the simplest, yet most overlooked. 1. Chamomile. While chamomile is often linked to relaxation and sleep, its healing powers extend far beyond calming the mind. This gentle yet potent plant contains bioactive compounds like apigenin and bisabolol, which work rapidly on the nervous system, digestive tract, and skin. Drinking chamomile tea can produce noticeable effects within minutes. It soothes the nervous system by binding to receptors in the brain that reduce anxiety and tension. This makes it effective for stress, restlessness, racing thoughts, and difficulty falling asleep. The warmth of the tea combined with chamomile's natural sedative action creates quick, calming relief, without leaving you groggy. Chamomile also supports digestive health. Its antispasmodic properties relax the muscles of the stomach and intestines, helping relieve cramps, gas, bloating, and nausea. It's particularly useful for stress-related digestive discomfort, menstrual cramps, or occasional stomach upset. Applied topically, chamomile works just as effectively. It reduces inflammation, redness, and irritation, soothing rashes, insect bites, minor burns, and small cuts. Its natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory qualities aid healing while calming pain and discomfort. What sets chamomile apart is its gentle balance. Safe for daily use and suitable even for children, it delivers fast, tangible relief without overwhelming the body. Calm, comforting, and quietly effective, chamomile is a prime example of how some of the best healing plants work not by force, but by restoring the body's natural balance. 2. Turmeric. Turmeric has been valued for thousands of years in Ayurvedic and traditional Eastern medicine for its golden-hued healing properties. The secret behind its effectiveness is curcumin, the active compound responsible for turmeric's potent anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and pain-relieving effects. While turmeric is often celebrated for long-term benefits, it can also produce noticeable effects relatively quickly when used correctly. Combining turmeric with black pepper significantly enhances curcumin absorption. Piperine, a compound in black pepper, helps curcumin enter the bloodstream more efficiently, allowing its benefits to be felt faster. Once absorbed, curcumin works at the cellular level to reduce inflammation, calm overactive immune responses, and ease pain signals throughout the body. This makes turmeric particularly useful for joint discomfort, muscle soreness, arthritis, and post-exercise inflammation. Many people notice reduced stiffness and pain within hours, especially when turmeric is consumed as a warm beverage, capsule, or mixed into food with healthy fats such as olive oil or coconut milk. Turmeric also supports liver function and digestion, helping the body process toxins and recover more efficiently after stress, illness, or physical strain. By reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, turmeric allows the body to shift from a state of strain to active healing. While its most profound benefits accumulate over days or weeks, the initial calming effects on pain and inflammation are often felt surprisingly quickly. Unlike conventional painkillers that mask symptoms, turmeric addresses the root cause: inflammation. This makes it a uniquely powerful plant, providing both immediate relief and long-term support for overall wellness. 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has long been called the plant of immortality, and for good reason. For thousands of years, ancient healers in Egypt, Greece, and China used it to treat wounds, burns, and skin injuries. Its thick, fleshy leaves contain a clear, nutrient-rich gel packed with bioactive compounds that start working almost instantly upon contact with the skin. When applied to sunburns, cuts, insect bites, or minor burns, aloe vera cools the affected area, reduces redness, and calms inflammation within minutes. The gel forms a natural protective barrier over damaged tissue, helping prevent infection while still allowing oxygen to reach the wound, a critical factor for faster healing. Aloe also stimulates collagen production, which helps skin repair more efficiently and minimizes scarring over time. Aloe's effectiveness comes from its ability to penetrate deeply into the skin. Unlike many creams that sit on the surface, aloe delivers moisture, vitamins, and enzymes directly into the cells. This deep hydration speeds up regeneration, restores elasticity, and makes it effective for not only injuries but also chronic dryness, eczema, and irritation. Internally, aloe vera can provide rapid digestive relief when used properly. Aloe juice soothes irritated stomach linings, reduces acid reflux, and calms gut inflammation. It promotes healthy digestion, enhances nutrient absorption, and encourages the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Many people notice reduced bloating or discomfort shortly after consumption. Packed with vitamins A, C, and E, all vital for immune support and tissue repair, aloe vera offers both immediate relief and long-term healing. It's one of the rare plants that delivers noticeable effects right away, while also supporting deeper recovery at the cellular level. 4. Honey from medicinal plants. Though not a plant itself, honey is one of nature's most concentrated forms of plant-based medicine. Bees collect nectar from flowers, herbs, and trees, transforming it into a substance with immediate healing properties. Raw, unprocessed honey begins to work the moment it touches the body. Applied topically, honey acts as a natural antiseptic and antibacterial shield. It kills harmful microbes, prevents infection, and maintains a moist environment that accelerates wound healing. Burns, cuts, ulcers, and skin infections often improve faster with honey than with many commercial treatments. Pain relief is also rapid, as honey reduces inflammation and protects exposed tissue. Internally, honey provides near-instant soothing relief. Coating the throat, it calms coughs and sore throats within minutes. Its natural enzymes and antioxidants boost immune function, while its simple sugars provide quick, clean energy without the crash associated with refined sugar. This makes honey especially helpful during illness, fatigue, or recovery. Different types of honey have distinct benefits depending on the plants the bees visited. Manuka honey, for example, is renowned for wound healing and antimicrobial effects. Herbal-infused honeys combine the fast-acting nature of honey with the medicinal properties of the infused plants, creating remedies that work even more efficiently. Honey's power lies in its versatility and immediacy. It heals both externally and internally, supports immunity, and delivers concentrated plant-based medicine in its purest, most accessible form. When used wisely, honey remains one of the fastest and most effective natural remedies, a true gift of nature's medicinal plants. 5. Ginger is one of the fastest-acting medicinal plants, with effects often noticeable within minutes. This knobby, aromatic root has been used for over 5,000 years in traditional healing systems throughout Asia and the Middle East. Its potency comes from compounds like gingerol and shogaol, which provide strong anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and digestive benefits. One of ginger's standout abilities is its rapid relief of nausea and stomach upset. Whether caused by motion sickness, morning sickness, food poisoning, or general digestive discomfort, ginger, consumed as tea or fresh slices, works quickly to relax the digestive muscles and speed up gastric emptying. This is why it's commonly recommended for travelers or post-surgery recovery. Ginger also generates a warming effect that boosts circulation almost immediately. Increased blood flow delivers oxygen and nutrients more efficiently, helping tissues repair faster while reducing muscle stiffness and joint pain. This makes ginger especially helpful for sore muscles, arthritis, or cold-related aches, with many people noticing a gentle, soothing warmth shortly after consumption. Its immune-boosting properties are fast-acting as well. Ginger helps combat bacteria and viruses, making it highly effective at the first signs of a cold, flu, or sore throat. It eases throat inflammation, loosens mucus, and supports respiratory health before symptoms intensify. Unlike remedies that require buildup in the system, ginger acts quickly, soothing the stomach, reducing pain, energizing the body, and supporting immunity almost simultaneously. This combination makes it one of the most reliable, fast-acting medicinal plants available. 6. Peppermint is another exceptionally fast-acting medicinal plant, with effects often felt within minutes. Its potency comes from menthol, a natural compound that produces an immediate cooling sensation, gently numbs pain receptors, and relaxes tense muscles. This explains why peppermint provides almost instant relief and refreshment. Consumed as tea, peppermint works quickly on the digestive system. It relaxes intestinal muscles, allowing trapped gas to pass and reducing bloating, cramping, and discomfort. Those dealing with indigestion, irritable bowel symptoms, or post-meal heaviness often feel relief after just a few sips. Peppermint is also highly effective for headaches and sinus pressure. Inhaling peppermint, from crushed leaves, steam, or essential oils, opens nasal passages, improves airflow, and reduces sinus inflammation. Applied topically in diluted form, peppermint oil eases tension headaches by relaxing tight neck and temple muscles and boosting blood flow to the area. Beyond physical relief, peppermint benefits the mind. Its aroma stimulates the nervous system, enhancing alertness, focus, and mental clarity without the jittery side effects of stimulants. This makes it ideal for fatigue, stress, or mental fog. Thanks to its rapid effects on digestion, pain relief, respiratory ease, and mental sharpness, peppermint is valued worldwide as both a physical and mental healer. Its speed and versatility are why it is widely used in teas, balms, inhalers, and natural remedies, delivering quick and noticeable relief when it's needed most. 7. Garlic. Garlic stands out as one of the most powerful medicinal plants known to humans, long celebrated as a natural antibiotic long before modern medicine existed. Its healing strength comes from allicin, a sulfur-containing compound that is activated the moment garlic is crushed or chopped. Once released, allicin begins working rapidly in the body. This compound offers strong antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and antiparasitic effects. When eaten raw or lightly cooked, garlic quickly enters the bloodstream and helps neutralize harmful microbes. That's why it has been used for centuries at the first signs of illness, sore throat, cold, flu, or fever, often stopping symptoms from worsening. Garlic also benefits the cardiovascular system almost immediately. It helps relax blood vessels, improve circulation, lower blood pressure naturally, and reduce arterial inflammation. Better circulation ensures that oxygen and nutrients reach tissues efficiently, accelerating the body's own healing processes. Traditionally, raw garlic was applied directly to wounds or infections because of its rapid antibacterial action. Taken internally, it has been used to address respiratory illnesses, chest congestion, and digestive infections. Even today, garlic is recognized for strengthening immune response within hours of consumption. Beyond immediate effects, garlic contributes to long-term health by combating oxidative stress and supporting liver detoxification. What sets garlic apart is its speed. Few natural remedies act so quickly or have such broad effects across multiple systems in the body. Powerful, pungent, and highly effective, garlic is more than food. It's a fast-acting, reliable natural healer that begins protecting and restoring the body almost immediately. 8. Echinacea. Echinacea is one of the most potent plants for supporting the immune system, with its greatest advantage being how quickly it activates the body's defenses. Unlike herbs that require long-term use, echinacea works best at the very first signs of illness. A scratchy throat, fatigue, chills, or that subtle something's coming on feeling. Once taken, echinacea stimulates the immune system by boosting the activity and movement of white blood cells which target viruses and bacteria. It also enhances the production of interferons, natural antiviral proteins that prevent viruses from replicating. This rapid immune response can shorten illness duration or even stop it from fully developing if taken early. Echinacea is particularly effective for colds, flu, sore throats, sinus infections, and other respiratory issues. Many people notice relief from congestion, reduced throat pain, and increased energy within 24 hours. It also helps decrease inflammation in mucous membranes, making breathing easier during infections. Additionally, echinacea supports the lymphatic system, helping the body flush out toxins and waste more efficiently. This speeds recovery and reduces that heavy, sluggish feeling that often comes with being sick. Whether consumed as a tea, tincture, or capsule, echinacea provides rapid, targeted immune support when it's needed most. While it's not intended for continuous daily use, echinacea excels as an emergency immune booster, a plant to reach for the moment your body signals trouble. Used correctly, it can turn what might have been a full-blown illness into a mild inconvenience. 9. Lavender. Lavender is among the fastest-acting healing plants because it communicates directly with the nervous system. Even before it enters the body, its scent sends calming signals to the brain, reducing stress hormones and producing an almost immediate feeling of relaxation. Inhaling lavender essential oil can quickly ease anxiety, slow heart rate, and relax tight muscles. This makes it highly effective for stress-related headaches, mental overload, panic, or fatigue. Many people notice relief within minutes, which is why lavender is a staple in aromatherapy for fast-acting calm. Lavender is also an excellent aid for sleep. By soothing the nervous system and quieting racing thoughts, it helps the body transition smoothly into rest. A few drops of lavender oil on a pillow or a cup of warm lavender tea in the evening can improve sleep quality without dependency or grogginess. When applied topically, always diluted, lavender works quickly on the skin. It eases inflammation, relieves pain, and helps prevent infection in minor burns, cuts, scrapes, or insect bites. Its natural antibacterial and antifungal properties speed healing while reducing redness and irritation. What makes lavender remarkable is its dual action, yet it calms both mind and body simultaneously. Because stress often worsens physical symptoms, lavender addresses the root cause by relaxing the nervous system first. Gentle yet potent, it delivers fast relief when you need balance immediately. 10. Plantain, Plantago major. Plantain is one of the most underrated medicinal plants, often mistaken for a weed, yet it may be one of the fastest natural healers you can find. This common plant grows almost anywhere, lawns, paths, fields, and roadsides, and has long been recognized as a living first aid resource. When a fresh plantain leaf is crushed, chewed, or rubbed and applied to the skin, it starts working almost instantly. Bleeding slows, pain diminishes, and swelling decreases within minutes. These effects come from compounds like aucubin and allantoin, which fight bacteria, reduce inflammation, and accelerate tissue repair. Plantain is particularly effective for cuts, scrapes, insect bites, bee stings, splinters, and skin rashes. It has a natural drawing ability, pulling out toxins, venom, and irritants from the skin, making it useful for spider bites, nettle stings, and minor infections. Relief is often noticeable almost immediately. Internally, plantain also acts quickly. Taken as a tea or infusion, it soothes the digestive tract, reduces gut inflammation, and helps calm coughs by coating and healing irritated tissues in the throat and lungs. Traditionally, it has been used for ulcers, gastritis, and respiratory irritation because it works gently yet effectively. The true beauty of plantain lies in its accessibility and speed. No pharmacy or supplement is needed, just a leaf in a few moments. It's a perfect example of how some of the most powerful natural remedies grow quietly underfoot.